Hey guys, I just had an amazing experience building a new UI feature with Cursor, and I just want to show you how it went and what I did. We have this DevTools section, which is admins only, and it allows us to run different things that we usually have to do to, let's say, bring new data, run a patch or something. We built it for ourselves, so it doesn't look really good. So this is what we have today in production, okay? You see it's blank, it's all white. It runs 2 workflows. I wanted to attach 3 more workflows and make it look a lot better and allow us to just have more fun using it. Here's what I ended up building. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same experience. It just right now it retains the header, navigation, runs 5 workflows, uniformly organized, all the same. Here's the change request that is that feature, okay? As you can tell, especially if you have worked with agents, it's been narrated by an agent. I have not written this nice description. And here's all the changes that the agents end up doing based on my ask. I have written 0 code for this one. I have not touched my keyboard other than to talk to an agent, okay? So it's a sizable change. It's not a hard change, it's a simple change. But I would not be able to do it in 20 minutes that I spent doing it with an agent, okay? So before, after, change. Let me walk you through what I've done, okay? I started by asking that we have 2 workflows. We have UI for them. I actually gave it screenshots where it's located and how it looks. And the first thing I asked was to connect 3 new workflows. Right? Nothing else. I didn't ask to do all of it in one. Just connect the 3 workflows that I have. And we don't need to be dry. If you need to repeat yourself, just repeat yourself. We'll look into it later. Okay? The agent went and did what I asked. Let me scroll down to right there. So it finished writing. I actually had it running locally with hot reloading, so I could immediately see how it shapes up. So next thing I'm asking, I say, nice, this is great. Let's rename, because we had a different name. And by the way, I suggest that 5 workflows in the tab is like, doesn't look right. Let's do it as a vertical, or maybe like a select dropdown. The agent went for vertical. It actually found this nice components and styles that we use in other screens for this nice vertical separation. Like, this is not new. This is not something the agent introduced. We have this kind of style somewhere else. So it probably picked up on it. That's my take. Okay, it went and it did all those changes. And I could see in my local with hot reloading that it just looks much nicer. Okay, next thing, I asked it to bring back the header. Because I don't like that I lose all my navigation and things. I just said, hey, can you please make it look the same? It actually thought for quite some time, as you can tell, 29 seconds, because it went looking how the main UI is built, how this DevTools is built, and what it needs to do to, with little changes, accommodate it. Which it found a really nice thing. It found that all it needs to do is use the page layout, which is what it ended up doing. It just added page layout, and boom, all pages look nicely, have the header and all that. Okay? I kept looking at results, and I kept asking to do more, do me a little more, do me a little more, okay? I asked it to arrange the fields. I just kept asking what I wanted to do next. And finally, I asked it to please give me a nice description so that I can send it to my team to look over. That was it. I have not written a single line of code. Try something like this next time you need to build a UI feature. You may really like it.